Mai nei le tātou Faletalimalo le Amoa Resort. Nei e o lātou whawhera inga o mātou. E lewa e ngate e whai o mātou i matua pangu mā mātou lima. Ngā whio siaki whai loa mai a mātou pepa tui. Ia le ngate reo mask o ngā whai ia po talifonga foi. Ia, ana lo siaki mātou mana ia le aikia le tātou Amoa Resort. O lewa whai whaatino ho isa se lewa mata. So se tasi lava e se latu malo, lava e whio mai foi latu Faletalimalo. Yo o latu... Ia o latu memo mua le whai. O le siaki o lau temperature. Ia i mautinoa ia sanitize o au. Ia wapena foi ona latu afsilingia po iai ia le ia lau pepatui ia le ngata wapena o lau masi tau na talifonga tau na whai e tami uma ko kasi mana ia o le latu le turanga whaua ia latu si tiango latu au nanga ia wala le soifuma loina ia ele ngata ia latu ia o latu malo wapena fo ia i latu lo ngā solo mai mana te Faletalimalo nei Faletalimalo mamua le leu whaatino le turanga lea e be ona va ai tu ai mana ia a fe fa fom si sila mai tatu Faletalimalo ese e le ngati Savaii o polu o le mele ta ona fai ma tatu o le mana ia foi o lato toninga ia o tu lava le ia ia ma le tatu masini na fu ai lo temperature ia polu le altu lango ia le vela o lo tino po e mai ia le ngati foi ia fa motino ia fulu mau lima ia fa motino foi ia lau pepa tui, nga te le i lau talifonga. Nei ia. Ia tonu ia o tanto Faletalimalo le Amoa Resort, whatuha o mai fwere o sui o tanto lo pei. E se mane e ma o kaisi mane ma e le va nao lo tu mai o. Ia va ala yaso ala lo whatatu va e ture iai. Nei ia, moi la tau fwoi malanga mai fafo. Ia tunu i fafo, ia mai se fwoi tātou Samoa. Whai te le va aila se va. Ia na va ana yaso ala. Na ile ama pena foi ia mari ofena ia whaonga foi le tangata pe ao la tu whangoto. Te mini, ia se toi tu atu statou atu si taimi o ruma pe mo statou whatanoanga ia mari pule o le tātou Amoa Resort ia inei sasai ia po sai pipi fo. Ia lewa matoanga ia tonu ia umale le sa whai ruma o le Yaki mo matou ona matou hai mo le tonu pasi reception. Ai o matou mo le tonu matou mo fia ia tonu.
It's raining now, so we'll go and then we'll come back and sit down.
Ya tonu le o le tātou Faletalimalo, e masalo o le tātou dining room le po le potu le o le tātou whanga le whaita maka tātou samia tātou malo. E o le tātou pā le pero no se sila mai mana ia le pa pero se na foi tala ato Faletalimalo lo tala te mine e wa foi mo malo ases mai ia na ngata foi le ia o tanga renga ia na tunu ia malo pena foi ia private sector mata mo firma ma poko se ma o le ia Faletalimalo ma ia ma ngata foi le ole au le lei o le staff ia latu la e. Peo se ripotina mo ne temi ia istemi ona toi o tu leo tatu whatananga ia masui fo ia tatu Amoa Resort ia i nei i Tafua.
That's why you see a nice little extension of the Amoa restaurant over there, and every room will have one. Tomorrow night, in fact, we're fully booked, so it's going to test us out how we operate. Yeah, we take the orders and everyone coming in. So this is like, we try and make it fun for the guests. Sorry, we can't serve you in the room tonight, but we'll serve you outside.
What happens to housekeeping?
So housekeeping is currently we are going to go under quarantine system with the housekeeping. We will quarantine a room for 24 hours. Where possible, everything gets put into a garbage, and then special washing can be done. Yeah, different to the ships.
Can we move to the
Yeah,
before you get rain? Any questions you can ask when we get back?
Ya ra matanga ya tu tonu foi lo o mole tatou potu nai po le tatou ai lo singa tira le ngole tatou fale le fale ainga ya na la fai lo me tuma ta ile ya o le tatou senia lo fai lo mai o le fale ainga le o ile tau mafo mai ma lo le tatou Amoa resort ta fe sa fu siufanga yo siufanga le tu o le tatou Faletalimalo ni Amoa resort ta siufanga ya ni si o tatou fale ya pe ona sila mai ai ya o fale na tasi lua ya tatou vilo mana ya ne fa nga tatou malo ya mo na to fo ye malanga mai se mo fisili to mai tai pule por manager pe fiel fale fiel po ya no mo to tasi le fale ya numero sutol ya mantua ve kule over to sutol fale me yo fale ka o villa ya o le mo to nga beton ya mo po e ton ka ma to mo fio ton
Nice. It doesn't have all the apples.
ya lua ia tapo pe misalo ya ngala mo ngali ifo ia ma mana tu fanau ya misalo ne fale se le ka se fale vo le mo se ainga e vai ati e no foi ia tono lo mota ia lo potu mo e no foi e lo lau ia e foi meu ka pokinga ia ma me mana ia matango fi ia dela se ira ku tono ia no po et foi disi vanga la o disi le tu o fali se manga ia kontisi ko kai
New extension, there are some people that were not really comfortable with the whole, maybe it's a Samoan thing, having the fully open. So we have a traditional bathroom, but still a little hole where they can see the stars if they want to.
ya mo to nga me to no bathroom so le mana ia se for mana ia to no bathroom le ia le ke vai e kwai le ia malama o te le mana mia foi se mori no va le ke mori le langi sky malo o le malo ke me lang salo o le mana no fo east te le fo ma sanga no fo ile i malanga fo ile officer
io che lo ngam venga officer o mai io ile si va nga na senga ngam mo foi de lega
io va lo excuse lo excuse
le stand lo le maintain la nga le ile Amoa che lo ko nga ia ra ko kan kan ia o la maintain la ko
se senga foi isso foi malo se ko ia maintain se lo stand
eu va ko e ko standards foi standards a luxury deluxe beach palace in Yamantula is in one la so we have all the services that accommodate any going guest base ile la ko de la ko manga o ia me so affordability tangata se la woman we tangata so ya wa mo one of the luxury resort there is in Samoa so
I've got what my so impressed, quite impressed.
List.
Yes, we're going to ask the cup this year. But I'm quite impressed. So
outdoor showers.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, easily if you outdoor showers. Yeah, then I find walls. Yeah, then I find young.
I'll get there for a shower. Ya masalo tele ya po so ko nga size po ka la po ona ko ko la po no fi de ya tonu ke ko do fa
size po
so de man ya ta por pe ya ma tua ya po fe la ko nga size o Faletalimalo ni ma tua fa tu no fa singa oversize ya
ta pero ya ko lo wa ngale ngakala private ya fa nga mai malesi ko de vale
ya fa nga fa ya wala ba i kure kasi wala ba la kasi
ya fa pe ko kele ko wa ngale fa nga mai
kaya ro yo nga foi de ya kemelan
So, okay.
Ya, di sini vana pe un fai loat. Ya tu salava le pa flu mo potu le si tu lai uma I. Ya ele ya si senga, mo salo tu mo foi fafo. Au toa uma. Ah, so. Au toa uma. A fai o tato na mafuta me fi au toa. Ya le. Ko kai ma le ya. Ya ne ma se le. Ya. Oh, se tonu foi. Ya pe ona si. Ai. Ma na yo ka poki la po. Ma so solo to yo. Ah. Ka ko ki o
a market of people that need to stay somewhere when they are staying nearby for work or for family. So there's a small light at the end of the tunnel at the moment, and once we become safe, we will be able to have tourists back again, and Samoans that are overseas waiting to come home.
Okay. Can you give us an example? How much per night for both and single?
You know, at the moment we've had to reduce our rates quite a bit. We're looking around the $2.95 is a lead-in rate, and we'll be able to accommodate up to a family of 4. So it's very good value, we think, for the accommodation and here in Savaii, and you can interconnect 2 rooms if you want. So
you mean $2.95 for this side? One side.
For 4 people, including the light breakfast. So once you take 2 rooms, it's just $5.90 for 8 people.
8 people, okay.
Can we
go back here? Yeah, thank you.
6 double units, and under each is 2 houses. Yes, there's no one else inside. No.
Tera mo tu ani swimming pool, ora mo so ka ka le man nei ya. Ya le to fa sa o tu le fi angolo tu ai su fanga. Ma nei swimming pool pe na si sira tu yo na la mo mama. Ya na fo lo tala la lo tu fa te malo pe fa lo me te mai tai. Manager na lo tala mai la lo no le tai ao. Ia se pa ile valu ya ono tu la fono po tu SOS. Talo le valu yo pa o mo foi le yo la tu ngwenga. Ya te o mai foi le tai ao le ono. Ya ai fa wa la no foi pe I la tu ma lo foi. Ni mo mo ya po yo si le potina mato no fi swimming pool. Ya pe no foi lo atu tu mai tai. Lua salau I valima pe lua salau mon tupu le site wa ma ko lua site o fale le tatu ati ai. Lua salau mon tupu la lua salau I valima pe lua salau le site tasi. Ai fa ia e fa nga malainga site lua ya o le tauna I le lima salau mon tupu pe lima salau I vasfulu ya I tuna lua ya stato ya o le tofata ngat ya include le breakfast I le tai au.
So those who are here for the first time, we're so very happy to have you here and see a piece of Savaii and what we've been doing in terms of adaptation in the last 3 weeks. We were sort of forced to go into activating a plan that more or less, I guess, we've had loosely in place for the last 2 years. And we're happy that your welcome today went smoothly. Thank you for your words of encouragement. It was good to see that those that are coming over from Upolu are cooperating, and that gives us a lot of confidence in the task at hand for welcoming our local guests, and then hopefully eventually in the not too distant future welcoming people from overseas. Fire away, guys.
Yes, I only have one question. How effective of the business since the COVID-19?
All in all, since March 20, we've had some small times of business closure, but otherwise we've been able to, I guess the good word is to sustain with local domestic traffic, and also being inventive with our dining and catering. So we find with Savaii, to our corner, there is still domestic traffic of people wanting to come and stay, I guess, close to the wharf. And people are here for either work or for family matters. So, and also a small percentage of local tourists. So with that, we've been able to, like I said, sustain. And we just keep praying and hoping that that will continue, carry on, even with this new event, which is COVID in Samoa.
How important has the tourism, domestic tourism or domestic market been into your business?
Okay. Well, it would be considered like gold at the moment for us to have a market. We are so blessed. People in Samoa, we've been well protected by the government, so we have confidence to travel inter-island, Upolu to come to Savaii and Savaii to go to Upolu. So with that safety net over us, we, like I said, I'll use the word again, we've been able to sustain and so far not have to look at what there have been limitations. So we've had to reduce staff, we've had to reduce some of the operations, but we're kind of trying to be inventive and still have a presence outside. Yeah, so business has been sustained with local tourism and also people in Savaii coming to Amoa for catering. So we opened up Amoa catering, and people that may not have come inside before when the borders were open are coming inside to take food home from Amoa to share, to have with their families. So another lifeline for us. We have chefs, we have waiters. They all know how to prepare food, and so now we're just expanding what we offer through the resort kitchen.
Do you think Savaii is at a disadvantage when it comes to delivering of tourism and hospitality services?
So in a COVID environment, it has been our strength because we still have a market. We still have people traveling, and in times of family matters, weddings and funerals, Samoans, they travel. They don't stay at home, and they will travel at all expenses. So that has been our advantage. Our location, we're an outer island. So in terms of post-COVID, being in Savaii is our advantage. Our pristine environment, our away from the city. Whereas people think, oh, Pia, it's a bit crowded. When I go to Savaii, it's space. Yeah.
Okay, what initiative have you undertaken, or things that which you have done to survive since our border was closed?
Okay, so we've been doing our best to maintain a presence and attract the local market. Okay. We've expanded our kitchen into catering, and we are using the most of a minimized team to double hats. Everyone wears a double hat now, so less staff but more jobs to cater to the people that are coming over. So in an instance where we have guests, where we used to have multiple staff to serve them, we have less staff. But if we want the service to be high, everyone has to work harder and smarter. So
I look at the first time I've been here, and it's very nice. I'm so impressed. We have been from the other hotel, and this is the best one what I see. And it must very expensive. To me, it must be very expensive to live here or stay here for one night. So can you tell us how much per night?
Okay. Well, I'm glad you're impressed. And
tell your boss. Tell your boss that I said I'm very impressed.
I'll tell them that the media team were very impressed. Well, that's the beauty of traveling during lockdown. So all our rates have been reduced. So you'll have the same beautiful product, swimming pool and jetty across the road, but at almost or more than half of the normal rates we used to have. So at the moment you can stay at our premium room at Amoa Resort, which is a villa, for a family of 4. It will be $295 a night if you stay 2 nights or more, including your light breakfast, or at the moment takeaway breakfast, because we can't serve in the dining room. So for a family of 4, or what we find is we have friends of 4 or bigger families, and they can share the rooms. And I think it's very good value. It's the best rates we've ever
Very
had.
true.
Yeah.
Have Amoa Resorts lost any staff?
So we tried our very best not to reduce the team. So there was a natural course of reducing the team when people left or they had other employment elsewhere. We didn't replace them. So everyone automatically has 2 hats rather than 1 that they may have had before. We have people that work in restaurant, also work in reception now. We have people that work in housekeeping. We're double trained to be waiters. So they can multitask and service our areas when we need it, but then when we're not busy, there's not as much overheads as before.
What support, like financial or otherwise, have been given by the government?
So we've recently had the rollout of a stimulus package, which was very timely. So that was a good boost. I'm not saying that all our expenses are covered. We need more, if anyone. But certainly it was very good advocacy on behalf of our representatives, and there we had a good win just before Christmas. There have also been other programs in place. Business Link Pacific, they offered a COVID adaptation plan assistance, which we took up, and there you see the masks, the thermometers, contactless thermometers, and a few other things. Computer hardware was purchased using BOP.
Sorry, do you think there is space to get assistance now just to survive, or do you require support when our borders actually open?
Sorry, can you?
Do you think it is best to get to get assistance now just to survive, or do you require support when our borders open up again?
Oh, definitely. As the pandemic changes, every property will need to evolve. What we want is to have a strong industry. We don't want to be just surviving and no one left. We want to open with a strong industry around Savaii and around other hotels in Samoa. Yeah. Yeah, we would. Every public holiday is great news for Savaii because people travel over. Valentine's Day is a new thing, but surprisingly, every Valentine's Day I've ever worked here, and I've worked here 12 years, we have people coming in. People still like to get romantic in Savaii and come out on the night of Valentine's. However, we just started promotion for Valentine's, and then a lockdown happened. So with the current situation, we're not really sure. We'll play it by ear to see whether people are willing to go. And we actually cannot serve in a restaurant environment. So we have a special in place. We'll see how it goes. And if anyone still hasn't made their booking yet for Valentine's Day, you have a special gift from Amoa if you stay with us over the Valentine's for 2, bring the kids if you can, find a babysitter.
Can you tell us how to respond to your kids when they come to Amoa? How do you respond to them when they come to you? Since the COVID-19? Because we saw that, it's very interesting.
Well, look, we had, so prior to COVID there was measles. And our response is a human response. So the response is first to protect our staff and then also the guest. So since measles, we quickly all had masks. Then we all had sanitizer, and those who wanted, we have gloves. And we feel that people that are traveling, they also want to see the same mirrored back to them. If you feel confident when you stay here because you saw us wearing a mask and you know that we're sanitizing, then that will in turn help our business. It's not easy to wake up every day and gear up, but it's the future of travel. Yeah. And Savaii no different.
What other local businesses do you support when you're operating, such as local food markets, missionaries, taxis, tour guides, etc.?
All of the above. We are trying our very best to sustain with local produce. The Amoa menu, you can have a look at it. We haven't changed it. The menu itself was fusion menu of local produce served in a fancy way. So we didn't feel that we needed to change it because therein lies our link to the community. Taxis and so forth, I guess they've been very quiet, but we hope, once people are traveling again, that taxis will be back on board. But all the local wholesalers, etc., we're trying very hard to stay afloat so we can carry on supporting them.
What was your normal rate before the COVID-19?
An average rack rate is around
500?
Yep, and higher depending on the room. 500 for here, 600 at the back.
So it is a good time for local people, right, to take advantage of your discount. Tell them.
Please, if you haven't been to Savaii, now is the awesome time to come. And if you have been to Savaii but you haven't been for a long time, now is the time to come and visit. We have swimming pool, we have delicious food on our menu, we have jetty across the road. You can kayak and really feel the difference here in Savaii than over in Bolu.
Thank you.
I have a couple of questions about the grocery matches that you guys are enforcing for everybody who comes in. The hand sanitizer, the testing rules for honor, and the mask. What happens if I come in and I am anti-vax?
Yep.
How do you deal and cope with that kind of guest?
Okay, all right. So there is a possibility always that we would have to decline people, but if we cannot be complacent. I was very happy to hear of cases where Samoa Shipping is also doing their very best to screen. And that will then in turn help our businesses. So we just follow it up as well. If they haven't been vaccinated, Tuasivi is not far away, and Tuasivi Hospital throughout the measles and this pandemic have had everything that the main hospital has in terms of going and getting your kui. You could go anytime.
Now we're